Smart Eye 360 Seamless Surround View Digital Video Recorder uses the latest high-resolution wide-angle front, right, left, and rear camera to first capture surrounding view of your vehicle. Coupled with the latest software technology to merge all the camera views to form a single real-time image seamlessly. Through an in-car entertainment system or in-car display, you can now monitor and record all driving activities in real time. A breakthrough technology that protects your interest. 180-degree high-resolution wide-angle camera. Capture high-resolution video both in the day and at night. While driving, display will show left camera in real-time view on display when left signal is engaged. While driving, display will show right camera in real-time view on display when right signal is engaged. While parking, display will show rear camera in real-time view on display when in reverse mode. Display will show front camera in real-time view when switched to drive mode. In all circumstances, rear view will be priority. Display will show front camera in real time during usual driving. Smart Eye High Resolution 180-degree wide-angle camera is your extra pair of eyes, aiding you in parking, driving at night, and eliminating blind spots. Smart Eye 360 Seamless Surround View Digital Video Recorder is the answer to driving safety. Quickly record when your car is being tampered with. Smart Eye 360 Seamless Surround View Digital Video Recorder is the answer for round-the-clock monitoring and recording in the event of theft, break-in, or accident. Smart Eye 360 Seamless Surround View Digital Video Recorder. Protect you and your car.